What's going on, Stranger Vapors? Back at you with another mod review. This is the VOOPOO DRAG Nano pod kit. 2019, we've seen a lot of mods get smaller and smaller, and this is one of those. This has a 750 milliamp hour battery. It is draw activated. We're going to pop this box open and see what this mod is all about. We're going to fill it up with some juice and get some rips off of it. This is meant for salt nickel, but it will handle PG, VG very well. If you're going to go that route, you need to use 7030. That's what's recommended by the manufacturer. Inside the box, you're going to get the actual mod itself, a tank, and a charging cable, as well as a little envelope with your warranty information, user manual. Who reads those anyway, right? What you're going to do is pop this guy out, take a look at these colors. It's actually really small. Really nice finish. Really nice finish. VOOPOO did pretty good on this one. It's got a Gene chip. Don't know who Gene is, but really classy finish for $19.99. This is a good looking mod. Now the actual tank, so I haven't filled one out yet, haven't messed around with it, so we're gonna figure out how to do this together. And you just pop this guy out. I'm gonna fill it up with the intergalactic juice. Figure out where to fill it out. What you're gonna do is you're gonna try to pop this out. Looks like it did pop out. And so pop the tip off the tank. You're gonna have a little hole to drop your salt nick in. I'm using a 7030 in here instead of a salt nick. And it looks like a tiny tank, but you can actually put the entire tip of your juice bottle in there. Let's give it a good squeeze, fill it up. The tank capacity itself is 1 milliliter, so if you're juicing a lot, you definitely want to keep refilling this guy throughout the day. Let's see if I can get it primed up with a couple of dry drags before putting it on the mod and see what this mod can do. I'm going to do a couple with closing off the actual vents. Alright, you got a little air bubble popping out. That means we are actually getting juice on the wick. Alright, more air bubbles. I'm sure you can see those in the video. Now let's put this guy on there. I'm not sure if it's magnetic. It is not magnetic. So if you drop this thing or if you hold it upside down, no, you just gotta push it in hard enough. There we go. Try it out. A pretty good hit for a small mod. We have not charged this. This is fresh out of the box, fresh out of the package. Oh wow, it's putting out a good cloud now. Let's do one more hit. So this is the VOOPOO Nano kit. Retails for $19.99 on our website. The actual tanks themselves are $2.99. So if you're looking for a small pod that you can carry around in your pocket, in your jacket pocket, for salt nicks, this thing's for you. Holding it up next to the Smock Nord, right? It's definitely slimmer than the Nord in terms of width, but it's also wider, right? It's wider. I think it definitely has a smaller profile than the Nord. You can fit it in like one of these short pockets that I don't have. And yeah, and they're both, they have, you can't adjust the wattage, they're not adjustable. If you're looking to get you a nano kit, you want something colorful, sleek, really nice finish, check out the VOOPOO Nano kit.